Hello, my most amazing artists. This book is called Butterfly, Butterfly, a book of colors. Butterfly, butterfly. One day, Lucy saw a beautiful butterfly. She played with it and chased it all around the garden. The next day, Lucy couldn't find the butterfly anywhere. But she did find a pink earthworm wriggling along the ground and a brown spider busy spinning her web. Then Lucy discovered a green beetle and a family of very spotty red ladybugs scurrying around. She saw a snail with an orange shell slithering. Three purple caterpillars munching a leaf. A shimmery blue dragonfly. And a yellow bee with the stripe buzzing about. But Lucy didn't see the butterfly anywhere. She looked and looked. Lucy lay down in the cool grass to wait. Then high in the sky, there it was, her colorful, beautiful butterfly. Today's art word is symmetry. That means the same on both sides. You can see all of these images are the same if we were to fold them in half. All right, so first you're going to want to fold your paper in half. That is going to be our guideline. Where the fold is where we're going to put the butterfly's body. So the parts of a butterfly are the head and the thorax and the abdomen. So we are going to use those three parts to create our circle and our ovals on the middle, on the fold. Then we're going to draw two big lines out almost to the corners of the page. You want to start these kind of underneath the head and then going out almost to reach the end of the page. Then what you're going to do is draw just a little baby curve on each side. Then you're going to curve the opposite way or in, and then we're going to start the next line to meet them right underneath that second oval. Then what we're going to do is kind of go from the edge of this wing and just curve down to almost the bottom of the page again. And do another baby curve in, and then just make it reach the bottom of your butterfly body. So you'll notice, see, then I'm going to do the antenna, and you'll notice that every line that I make on one side, I want to make the same thing or close to the same thing on the other. That is called symmetry, or the same on both sides. So whatever I do to one butterfly wing, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You can add whatever kind of shapes that you want and lines, but make sure that you're doing the same thing on both sides to make it symmetrical. Then you're going to take whatever coloring tool that you would like to use at home and start coloring your butterfly in, keeping in mind that your color choices should also be the same on both sides. So try your very best to do the same thing on one side that you do on the other. And what's that called, boys and girls? That is called symmetry. So just do a very neat and careful job coloring your butterfly in. And you can use whatever coloring tools that you would like. Here I'm using something called oil pastels, but you could also use markers, crayons, colored pencils, paints, whatever mood you're in and whatever tool you have on hand. I like to usually use one tool to color in my subject, and then I like to paint in my background. Then, when you are all done, I can't wait to see a photo of your artwork.